Hello and welcome to this video on managing the tough grass disease Anthrancose Basal Rot caused by Calototricum cereal. In this video, we will cover the biology and epidemiology of this disease, as well as how to identify it in the field and lab, and discuss cultural and chemical management options. First, let's start with a brief overview of Calototricum cereal, the fungus that causes Anthrancose basal rot. This fungus is commonly found in soil and can infect a variety of grasses, including cool season and warm season species. It is most active in warm, humid conditions and can be spread through spores that are dispersed by wind, water, or human activity. Now let's talk about the symptoms of Anthrancose basal rot. This disease typically affects the roots and basal stem tissue of the grass plant, causing the affected area to become soft and rot. In severe cases, the plant may become stunted or die. Symptoms may also include yellow or brown patches on the leaves, as well as thinning or wilting of the grass. So how do we identify Anthrancose basal rot in the field and lab? To diagnose the disease in the field, it is important to examine the root system and basal stem tissue for signs of rot. In the lab, a culture can be taken from the infected tissue and examined under a microscope to confirm the presence of Calototricum cereal. Now let's discuss management options for Anthrancose basal rot. One key cultural practice for preventing this disease is to maintain proper drainage and avoid overwatering or overfertilizing the grass. It is also important to remove excess thatch, as this can provide a favorable environment for the fungus to grow. In addition to cultural practices, chemical controls such as fungicides can be effective in managing Anthrancose basal rot. It is important to apply fungicides according to the label instructions and to rotate between different products to reduce the risk of resistance. Some examples of effective fungicides include chlorothalonil and azoxystrobin. In conclusion, Anthrancose basal rot is a serious tough grass disease caused by Calototricum cereal. It is important to monitor for symptoms in the field and confirm the diagnosis in the lab, and to implement cultural and chemical management practices to prevent and control this disease. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a better understanding of how to manage Anthrancose basal rot.